Back to a new episode to Farm Life, and today we have found a dead body right here. Okay, everybody just need to take it easy. Get back. I found a dead body. What am I gonna do with that? Yes. Back off. I mean, we need to back everything up. This is something really big. This is something big animal because it has a tail. Right there, that is a big dead body or something. I'm not gonna touch that because I can have sickness or something. That is not a human. That could be happy for. So perhaps that's no. Back off. Everyone back off. We're not gonna let the back off. No. I won't let this animal be sick because I think that's a back. Oh, if I was two, I guess someone to hold it on this. I'm gonna pick something up. Alright everybody, I want everybody stand back. What's happened? No one's eating this bone. Yeah, I know. I know that's scary. The cows don't like dead bodies. I'm gonna find a way to take that out. I want everyone getting back. Thank you for taking this one. This is already broke. Mm. Alright. Now we'll try to working this out. Everybody just stand down. Broadcasting. Everything. Right. What the hell is this? Alright, we're gonna check what it is. I really don't know what that is. I know that's a bone. But what for bone has not tell me what that is. Okay, my idea is to try to take that bone away. But we kinda get a problem when we take that back. Because we have cows everywhere, would want to taste it. It's a fucking bone right there. I don't know how I'm gonna take this out. Excuse me, I just need to fix the camera right there. So everyone just can stay down. Perhaps can take this out. Everyone just put this bone down. Damn it. What is this? Alright. This definitely sounds body. We can already see here that this is the end of some body. Yeah, that's not the head. This is definitely not the head. This is the back. Here is the legs gone sitting. It was right the leg right here. That means something with two legs just was dead here. It wasn't here yesterday, so that means that someone had to go with this error. I'm putting here is a oh my god. Is a tail right back of this. It's hard to say what this is. But yeah, definitely the bones, and definitely someone has eating that's right here. Which means that we can have fox, wolf, something we're eating stuff like this here. That not making good sense about this. We need everyone to close this place. Something with tails. So my thing is trying to get this thing back. Alright, take this away. That is the work I'm gonna try to do. Oh, it's so disgusting. Yeah, this is really new because someone almost eating on this. Back off. I mean, if I know this. Right, now we're moving this. Long away from this. It's kinda look like a human body. I'm being behind the skeletons and everything. But it's hard to believe that it is. So I'm gonna put this when I found a big fucking head around here. There's a big skeletal head right here. So I'm gonna put that right there. I mean, this thing is disgusting. I know. Get off. And here we have some, I don't know, some head or something. Maybe a leg or just a basic bone. I think it's some head or something because it's likely nothing inside. I can maybe show you the knife skeleton I found. Maybe it's a head or something. I don't really know what it is. But it's a skeleton definitely. And that is the piece we just take away. Which means we have someone to eating something here. Alright, I just want everyone best take back, please. Please get away. Thank you. Everyone taking away from this scene. Thank you. Everyone back off. Back off. Yep. Back up, please. Yeah, they're gonna be kind of scared if they really understand what that is. And scanned cow, we don't want to know where. The bottle was exactly here, which means some directing they are eating. And the thing right here on that point, that means the cows don't gonna eating now. They're gonna searching for bones like same smell like that. I can promise you that was an hour-old body. I mean, someone eating this. And they wasn't here for an hour. Was it here yesterday? Yes, I must be here. Yes, come here today. I think around 4 or 5 hours then, because I was here for around 5 hours. I didn't saw that body. And I just walked there, which that means that someone have eating something there. It's too big for be a cat, so it definitely is not a cat. Something with tail, it can be a rabbit, but I think that is too big backbones. Yeah, and the cow now is really scared to eating because they're gonna search and smell everything before they're gonna eat. That was really fun to see. That means I need to search here. Yeah, last year I found a fucking big deer head in that forest. Half with meat, half without meat, just skeleton. And you could see the eyes and everything. It was so freaking disgusting. And yeah, I want to repeat that. I just to get 3 box. The way I think we're gonna unboxing, because most of that videos was most popular. I think what I saw, maybe I don't saw. Yeah, you can maybe go to the toilet there too. Yeah, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do that video soon when I get that box that's down from the pick up it, because they have just sent it to me. So oh my god, I got something in my. But it is all just have sent it to me, so I don't have to get it now. I just have got one box, and I think it's around 3 boxes or 4. It's maybe 1 to 4 boxes. This I don't know if they're 4 or 3 or 2, but they're more than 1 and not more than 4. Yeah, this was really intense. They found a dead body. But this is a nature, and in this nature, in the forest and the hedge, can animals die, and you found bodies. This is not the first time I found a body. That the white skeleton I show you, yeah, that one is around, think 20 years old. It's mostly because they were living here says that skeleton had lain there for a long time. So yeah, mostly that is an old skeleton. This one was new, and it was the underbody, the body with the leg is. So when it's the underbody or the second part of the body. So the backboard and the place the bones is, and when you go into on the toilet is, yeah, that section, that place. Yeah, I have getting mostly new cows. I think it's around 29 or 30. I don't know. 29 it is. It's gonna come more cows. And yeah. And like I said before, I'm really tired to hearing stupid idiots speaking with me. And oh my god, it's a cute, it's a frog. Man, it's a frog right there. Damn it. It's a frog. It was a frog right there. Oh my god, the frog is walking. Bud, you don't gonna go here, from. Huh? It's a frog. The frog. It's a frog. Right there. It's a frog. But you are a long way from home. Dude, what did you... You are a long way from home, bud. Long way from home. Yep, they're gonna need to run. I think this coming from the forest. And that cow, I found something in the tree right there. Yeah, everyone on the place. They're very good. They're living. Oh shit. And it's health. Oh yeah, I broke my pin. I broke it. Damn it. Can you shut it? Stupid bird. Thank you. So I think this is gonna be everything for this video. They were supposed. Alright, something in this here. Can you shut it? Thank you. If I hear one time I'm gonna get something through a stone on you, bro. Yeah, but yeah, like I said before, I think this is gonna be everything for this video, and I hope you really like it and enjoy it. Let's see. I don't know when I'm gonna put a new video up when I'm boxing, but it's gonna come. Yeah. So I got a few ideas what I'm gonna do on this channel. Mostly not gonna be playing. Maybe sometime. I don't know. I got new idea when my model trains. I'm gonna get building up a new layout of that. So that's gonna be a thing. So yeah. Thank you for your help looking, and I hope you have enjoyed it. So let's see you in the next video. So goodbye.